Yeah, hello everyone. You're welcome back to my channel, Mikabili FX. So do well to subscribe, you know, drop your comment, share, and like. Okay, so what do we have today? So far, so good. This is a market structure analysis from the basics. Okay, so we've had concept 1 to 6. Endeavor to go and watch concept 1 to 6 on my channel here. Okay, this is concept 7. Forex market sessions, Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Okay, so we are starting. We've been having the classes on market structure analysis from the basics. Okay, so far so good. All those classes are for forex trading, forex beginners. Okay, so and this is concept 7. So what do we have without wasting our time? So right here we have a table for the sessions and the time. So all of these are AM, 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 AM. Okay. 12 AM, 1, 2, 3, all this, all to 10 AM. Okay. So these are the PM up to 11 AM. Sorry. These are the PM. Okay. So these are the sessions. Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. Okay. So these are the primary pairs here. So from Sydney, what do we have from Sydney? You know, the time for Sydney is 9 PM. From 9 PM to 6 AM. So what about Tokyo? Tokyo. Tokyo open at 11 p.m. and closes at 8 a.m. Okay, that's Tokyo. Then London, London starts at 8 a.m. As a Nigerian, use the same time, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's London. The New York time, New York open at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, an example of a primary pairs we have on each session. Okay, so this is a Sydney example. It's AUD, USD, and NZ, NZD. Yes, New Zealand USD. It's also another example here. Then under Tokyo we have AUD JPY. Another example is NZD JPY. Okay, this is London. Example of pairs for London is GBP USD. Okay, you also have Euro USD. Okay, so under New York, example of you know primary pair in New York is USD card. Okay, check very well, look very well. You can easily memorize it. Okay, so around this hour, this is where we have most volume in the market. Okay, this area. Okay, so this is just a little explanation of senior session and all sessions will trade and their time. Okay, so there's not much to explain about that. So currently currently we are in a London session. And what's the time now? The time is past 1. So London session and what is it called? New York session is opening now. Okay, New York session is open and it's moving. So if you check the time from here, we have the Sydney session and the Tokyo session. The London session open at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. This is it here. London session open around this place. London session open around this place. Okay. It's London session. I'm on 30 minutes. According to the time I have here, it's 7 a.m. Okay. London session open around this place. Till 5 p.m. The New York session just open now. Okay. Just open now. So that is that on the for the sessions and the time. Maybe I should do a little thing now. Okay. From here, what's the time? Here, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 9 p.m., somewhere here. Okay. Somewhere here. These are the Asian sessions, the Sydney or Tokyo. This near the Sydney and Tokyo. They are, they are, they are Asian sessions. Asian sessions. Okay. Somewhere here. Asian session. No, this is the this is the you know London session around here. London session around here. That's London session. That's London session. The New York session. Where is it? Okay. New York session. New York session is around 1 p.m. 1 p.m. No. This is New York session. This is the overlapping. That is New York session. Let's change the color to green. That's New York session. Let's confirm this one again. Well, at 9 p.m. Yes. This is Asia session, London session, and New York session. Okay. Asia session. Asia session. This is Asia session. And this is London. This is London. This is New York. And this is New York, yeah. New York session. This one is London session. Good. So there's overlapping here between London and what's it called, and New York. Okay. There's an overlapping there. So in this hour between London and New York, it's always very volatile. That's where market is very, very active, and we have a lot of traders there at this hour. So currencies are in this area. Currencies in these sessions, London and New York sessions, are mostly traded compared to Asia. Okay, compared to Asia. So that is that about our class for today. That is that about our class for today. Okay. Thank you for joining my channel again. So expect our next class. God bless you.